If you want to write an article for Geeks to upload on their website, then this video is only and only for you. And subtitles are available, so turn them on. Hello everyone, this is Jaya. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you that how you can become a content writer on very prestigious platform, which is your favorite one, that is Geeks for Geeks. But before that, if you like my work, make sure you hit that like button because it tells me that I should make more relevant videos about techie world. So let's begin. So first of all, for uploading your favorite article, if you have a great enthusiasm to upload your article on any website, so first of all you have to open your favorite browser, that is Google Chrome. Like I have already opened that, so I'll maximize it. Yes, so this is the my favorite browser. So in this video, first of all I'm going to show you that how would you become a content writer. Like if this article is published on Geeks for Geeks platform, applications and popularities of C++, and who wrote this article, or who is the author of this article, who published this article, is the Chauhan Ishan A2. So this article is contributed by Chauhan Ishan. So guys, if you want to write your name in that place, so this video is only and only for you. So please be tuned with this video and I will help you that how you can also become a contributor for any platform. Like I'm not sharing, I'm not doing advertisement of any tutorial or any educational platform. Like if you want to share your article on Tutorials Point or W3 schools, there are tremendous educational platforms or educational websites through which you can upload your articles, like if you have a great enthusiasm to write. Okay, so let's start with this. I have opened this Google Chrome. First of all, for writing your article, like for Geeks, you have to write write.geeks4geeks.org. this is the official website of Geeks for Geeks. Okay, so this is the first link for writing your article. Okay, so this is the one. Here you can upload your article. First of all, you have to log in with this Geeks for Geeks account. Okay, you have to make sure that you have created your own account on Geeks for Geeks platform. Okay, so there are three options: write an article, write an suggestion topic, write an interview experience. Like if you have an interview experience, you can upload your interview experience also. Okay, if you have a suggestion topic, so you can suggest any topic. Okay, and if you want to write an article, so you can go through that. Okay, so I'll come to this icon or this. Okay, so I have logged in with my account Jaya Shukla 829. So here you have to upload, like if you want to make sure, like if you want to write an article for what is the difference between microprocessor or the microcontroller, but this topic would never be published earlier. This should be in your mind that the topic which you are choosing for Geeks is never be published earlier. Okay, this was the thing, you have to remember it. So here you have to start writing, and at the end of that you have to save as a draft. Okay, for I think 2 or 3 days they will notify you that your article has great content, so we are going to publish here. Okay, so you have to have patience for that. Okay, submit for review, you have to do that. So thank you guys. If you like my channel, please hit the big like button, and if you are new at my channel, please subscribe my channel for daily updates. Thank you.